Who are the richest dancehall artists in Jamaica? Most people have a pretty good idea, even if they are not an entrepreneur or interested in the subject for all that matter. As you are watching this, you probably already have names popping into your head as to who will appear on this list of the richest dancehall artists in Jamaica. Let's find out in this video, where we list the top 10 richest dancehall artists in Jamaica as of 2018. These are the game changers and the people who have helped transform and reshape the dancehall industry. Welcome back to Elite Jamaica, the place you come to learn about Jamaica and Jamaicans. If it's your first time joining me here, consider subscribing to the channel by clicking that red subscribe button. And remember to turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon, so you never miss any of my videos.
Yeah, that's a good question. Have you made, say, millions of dollars?
No.
Are you a rich man?
When you mean rich, what you mean?
Do you have a lot of possessions? A lot of money in the bank?
Position make you rich? I don't have that type of richness. My richness is life, forever.
Number 10. Mr. Vegas. Dancehall musician Clifford Smith is best known under his stage name Mr. Vegas. His music career started in 1997 at the age of 23. He created albums like Sweet Jamaica and Reggae Max. Mr. Vegas' estimated net worth is about $1.2 million as of 2016. Let's take a closer look on his life and his career. Clifford Smith was born on December 29, 1974 in Kingston, Jamaica. His football mates from school gave him the moniker Mr. Vegas. He started with singing covers at the small shows and parties. In 1998, Mr. Vegas became famous thanks to his hits Jack It Up, You Sure, and Latest News. Number 9. Popcaan. Popcaan is a dancehall recording artist. Born Andre Sutherland on July 15, 1988 in St. Thomas Parish, Jamaica. Popcaan's net worth is estimated at $1.4 million. Sutherland grew up in Portmore, Jamaica. As young as 7 years old, Andre trained himself as a vocalist and performer, and Popcaan continued to follow his musical calling. In 2007, Popcaan approached Vybz Kartel at a local jam called My Scheme, where Kartel recruited the young DJ to his Portmore empire, becoming both a producer and a mentor. Number 8. Konshens. Garfield Delano Spence was born on January 11, 1985. His hits have included Winner, Rasta Imposter, This Means Money, Good Girl Gone Bad, Gal Dem Attack, and Gala Bubble. Konshens, a top-tier dancehall artist, earned a small fortune thanks to his music. His total net worth is approximately $1.5 million. His 2005 single, Pon the Corner, was a major hit in Japan and led to a month-long tour of the country and a Japan-only album release. He made a guest appearance on Taurus Riley's Contagious album, DJing on Good Girl Gone Bad, which was also released as a single. He has a large fan base in Guyana and Europe, where his Gal Dem Attack single was a major hit, and he performed at Guyana's National Stadium on May 2011.
You know what the thing set up? Madness. Representing on stage, everyone knows that's how the thing set to see it. Representing
Number 7. Busy Signal. Busy Signal is a Jamaican dancehall reggae musician, known as one of the contemporary dancehall movement leading artists. He is also known for his collaboration with Major Lazer. Busy Signal's net worth is estimated to be about $3 million as of 2017. Busy Signal was born as Glendale Goshia Gordon on January 24, 1982 in St. Ann Parish, Jamaica. He studied at Brownstown Comprehensive High School. His music career has been shining since 2003. He released 2 albums, the debut album titled Step Out in 2005 and the Loaded in 2008. His single Step Out became one of the best dancehall songs in that year. Number 6. Bounty Killer. Dancehall veteran Bounty Killer is regarded as the most influential artist in the dancehall industry today. Killer is responsible for the careers of some of dancehall top acts, currently including Mavado, Busy Signal, and controversial artist Vybz Kartel. Bounty has over the years acquired a net worth of around $3.5 million, putting him in the ranks of the richest reggae dancehall artists currently alive. This list was compiled from data that was made available to Elite Jamaica. I strive to make sure that the content I publish is fully accurate, but I cannot always guarantee this. Therefore, I assume that the above content is accurate, unless otherwise specified by the persons named above. Number 5. Beenie Man. Beenie Man rose to stardom in the early 1990s and has since been rocking up the charts with his catalog of hits. The Zim Zimmer DJ has acquired a solid net worth over the years and can safely join the ranks of the richest reggae dancehall artists alive. Beenie Man's net worth is an estimated $4 million. Number 4. Buju Banton, born Mark Anthony Myrie, 15th of July 1973, is a Jamaican dancehall, ragga and reggae musician. He has collaborated with international artists Busta Rhymes, Fat Joe, Trey Songz, Rancid, and Bob Marley's son Stephen Marley and Damian Marley. Much of his music deals with spirituality and socio-political issues, as well as love and life itself. Banton released a number of dancehall singles as early as 1987, but came to prominence in 1992 with 2 albums, Stamina Daddy and Mr. Mention, which became the best-selling album in Jamaican history upon its release. He signed with major label Mercury Records and released Voice of Jamaica the following year. By the mid-1990s, Banton's music became more influenced by his Rastafari faith, as heard on the seminal albums Till Shiloh and Inner Heights. In 2009, he was arrested on drug-related charges in the United States, and his first trial resulted in a hung jury. His 2010 album Before the Dawn won Best Reggae Album at the 53rd Annual Grammy Awards. In February 2011, he was convicted on the same drug charge after a controversial second trial that was tainted by jury misconduct. He waived his right to an appeal and has since been incarcerated. He was released on December 7, 2018 and has returned home to Jamaica. His net worth is an estimated $5 million.
Was released on Friday, July 16 after serving a total of 2 weeks behind bars. However, speculations are rife as to whether or not the DJ will perform on Dancehall Night at the greatest reggae show on earth, Reggae Sunfest. In other news, stock sales rise again.
Number 3. Vybz Kartel. Adidja Azim Palmer, born 7th of January 1976, better known as Vybz Kartel, is a Jamaican musical artist, record producer, entrepreneur, and dancehall performer. Among his various nicknames, he is referred to as World Boss, and has been recognized as one of the genre's most prolific and skilled lyricists, credited with further popularizing dancehall. Kartel's singles have achieved cultural ubiquity across the Caribbean, including Ramping Shop 2009, Summertime, and Dancehall Hero in 2013. Having collaborated with a number of internationally prominent hip-hop and R&B artists, such as Major Lazer, Rihanna, and Jay-Z, he has also been credited as an inspiration for the dancehall-infused work of a number of Western artists, including Drake, who has cited Kartel as being one of his biggest inspirations. In 2014, Kartel was sentenced to life imprisonment for the murder of his associate Clive Lizard Williams. He will be eligible for parole once he has served a minimum of 35 years in prison. Despite being imprisoned, Kartel continues to release new music prolifically, releasing over 50 new songs in 2016 alone. His net worth is estimated at $5.5 million.
What's this? I got it, man. Begin the thing reading from this. Respect out of the street, those there. Big up that to get the people here tonight.
Number 2. Mavado. Mavado was born in Kingston, Jamaica in November 1981. His grandmother brought him to church to sing at a young age, and Mavado was mentored by Bounty Killer at 15 years old. His debut studio album, Gangster for Life, The Symphony of David Brooks, was released in 2007. Mavado's second studio album, Mr. Brooks, A Better Tomorrow, was released in 2009. He has collaborated with artists such as Nicki Minaj, Future and Acewood, Lil Kim, Wyclef Jean, Junior Reid, Snoop Lion, and Iggy Azalea. Mavado was convicted of assault after driving incident in 2012 and was fined $100,000. His net worth is a whopping $7 million. Number 1. Sean Paul. Sean Paul is no doubt the most internationally successful dancehall artist to date. His 2004 album Dirty Rock sold 6 million copies worldwide, which pushed him into the mainstream of music. Dirty Rock won Sean Paul a Grammy Award and several other nominations. Paul also did collaborations with megastars such as Beyonce Knowles, Rihanna, Keisha Cole, to name a few. There is no surprise that Sean Paul is on the list of the richest reggae stars of all time. His net worth is valued at $12 million.
I said, ladies, as much as we love you, we love to lie to you.
Tell the girl them
And today's honorable mention is Shaggy. The Shaggy 2001 album, Hot Shot, sold more than 20 million copies worldwide, making him one of music's top-selling artists. The mega sales propelled Shaggy to arguably becomes reggae richest artist of the current generation. Hot Shot peaked at number 1 on the Billboard charts in the US and the UK, and was certified X6 Platinum in the US alone. Despite the huge success of Hot Shot, Shaggy never released another successful album to date, and he really doesn't need to. These days, Shaggy is more known for his charitable work in Jamaica after he launched the Shaggy Foundation, which is responsible for the annual Shaggy and Friends concert. All profits goes to the Bustamante Children's Hospital in Jamaica. Shaggy's estimated net worth is $12 million US.
All who smoke ganja, me miss you know them go so. All who love ganja say,
Thank you for joining me again, guys. I really do hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please remember to subscribe to Elite Jamaica to help support the channel. And remember to turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon so that you never miss any of my updates. Until next time, I am Alex, just saying bless. Have yourself a wonderful weekend.